In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an email campaign on Mailchimp. This process is quite straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll be well on your way to launching your first campaign. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to Mailchimp and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look to the top left corner where you'll find the Create button. Give it a click and you'll be presented with a variety of options. From this list, choose Email. Now you've stepped into the realm of creating your very own email campaign. You'll need to decide which type of email campaign suits your needs. For most standard campaigns, choosing regular email is the way to go. However, if you have specific needs like automated sequences or A/B testing, Mailchimp provides those options as well. After deciding on the type of email, it's time to give your campaign a name. Choose something that clearly reflects the content or purpose of the email, like March newsletter or spring sale promo. Once you've named your campaign, move on to selecting your audience. This is a crucial step. Here you can decide to send your email to your entire contact list or target a specific segment that would benefit most from the content. Moving on, let's set up the sender information. Enter a recognizable sender name and email address to help build trust with your recipients and avoid spam filters. Following that, craft an engaging subject line. The subject line is your first impression, so make it intriguing. Something like "exclusive offer just for you" could work wonders in grabbing attention. With that ready, click on Design Email and select a template that resonates with your message. This is where creativity meets efficiency with Mailchimp's drag and drop editor. You can add text, images, buttons and more, customizing the look and feel to make your message clear and appealing. Once your design is polished, take advantage of the preview option. This allows you to see exactly how your email will look once it lands in your subscribers' inboxes. To be extra sure everything is perfect, use the Send a Test email feature. Send it to yourself or a colleague to catch any last-minute changes before the final send-off. Satisfied with your masterpiece, click Continue to proceed to the final review page. This is your last chance to catch any errors before it goes live. When you're ready, you can either choose Send Now if you're eager to share the email immediately, or Schedule for later if you prefer a specific timing. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on setting up an email campaign in Mailchimp. Remember, each component from the subject line to the design plays a critical role in the success of your campaign. I hope this guide equips you with the tools to send out engaging and effective emails effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.